If the World Health Organization is saying that there's no evidence that pets can get infected with the new coronavirus, but then there are reports that a cat in Belgium and a dog in Hong Kong have been tested positive for the virus, what is actually possible? Can pets catch COVID-19?
There are two ways that an animal living with an infected human could have this virus. The first, and likely to be rare, is that the animal could actually be infected, by which we mean actually have the virus growing within them. Whilst some experiments have shown that some animal species can be infected, the tests that have been used for the dogs in Hong Kong and the cats in Belgium don't actually prove that they were infected. It seems more likely that these animals actually have virus on them, and this is the second way that animals may have this virus.
Could a pet infect a human?
Yes, that's theoretically possible. Animals living with COVID-19 patients will likely have some of this virus on their skin or coat, and so that virus can be transmitted to a new person if they handle the animal. Whilst we can carry on interacting with our own animals in a relatively normal way, we shouldn't be touching animals that belong to other people.
Should you change your behaviour with your pet?
If we are well and self-isolating, then we can carry on interacting with our pets normally. If we are unwell and self-isolating with COVID-19 signs, then there are some additional precautions that we can sensibly take. If there's someone else in the house who is otherwise well, then it makes sense to ask them to take over day-to-day care of pets. If hand contact is necessary, we should wash our hands before and after contacting pets, and we should avoid face-to-face contact. If we've got cats, then although it's not easy, we should consider, if possible, keeping cats indoors during the period of self-isolation. If we've got dogs that need walking, government advice says we are allowed to go out still, even if we have COVID-19 signs, but we have to pay strict attention to the rules around social distancing.
The reports of human to pet transmission seem to be isolated incidents, and many health organisations have said that there is no evidence that pets can spread in the same way as humans. Most people who become infected with COVID-19 will be infected by people and not animals, which is why social distancing as well as hand washing are so important in fighting the spread of the virus.